Warning, before you let your wife talk you into getting goats, there's some things you need to know.
Hello goat lovers, this is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family.
You can't have just one goat. That's some fine print there, isn't it? Goats multiply quickly. They don't eat everything like people say. They primarily eat money and time. You have to feed and water them every day, forever. They poop a lot, constantly, with every step. And guess whose job that is to clean up? Compost pile. You may not have one or want one. I have 2. And all that crap leads to a garden. And guess who gets to build that? Say goodbye to your weekends. Your days off will become a long list of chores. All your spare time spent working and building things together as a family. Who's winning the game? You don't know. Yuck. Goat shows. A few times a year, you'll have to travel with your goats to a fair somewhere to compete as a family against other families. Making memories. Random weird things start happening. Ice. Crystal!
Mom's gonna make snow!
I just wanted some ice. Loss of personal space. Let me get my coat. Crystal, where's my stuff?
Mom needed somewhere to put the cheese, Dad.
Other side effects of owning goats may include being up before the sunrise, spending time outside, sunburn, back pain, owning chickens, empty wallet, giant dogs, because normal dogs just won't do, flies, other bugs that kill flies, finding balls on the ground, angry neighbors, and the occasional electric shock. So if all that doesn't scare you, and you still want to own goats, make sure you're on the notification list. I'd like to sell you one or 2.